Patio doors play an important role in how a home looks, feels, and functions. They connect indoor and outdoor spaces, let in natural light, and are used daily by many households. For homeowners in Rockford, choosing patio door materials that are low maintenance is especially important. The right materials make it easier to enjoy the benefits of patio doors without constant upkeep, repairs, or refinishing. Why low maintenance materials matter? Patio doors are exposed to changing weather conditions and frequent use. Over time, materials that require regular painting, sealing, or adjustments can become a burden. Low-maintenance materials are designed to hold up well while requiring minimal care. Rockford homeowners often prefer patio door materials that stay attractive and functional with simple cleaning and routine checks, allowing them to focus more on enjoying their home rather than maintaining it. Vinyl patio doors for easy care. Vinyl is one of the most popular low-maintenance patio door materials. It resists moisture, doesn't peel or rot, and holds its appearance over time without painting or staining. For Rockford homes, vinyl patio doors are appealing because they're easy to clean and maintain. A quick wipe down is usually all that's needed to keep them looking fresh. Vinyl also provides reliable insulation, supporting indoor comfort without added upkeep. Fiberglass for durability and stability. Fiberglass patio doors are known for their strength and resistance to wear. They don't warp, crack, or swell easily, making them a dependable option for homeowners who want long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. Rockford homeowners appreciate fiberglass doors for their ability to maintain their shape and finish over time. These doors typically require little more than occasional cleaning, making them a practical choice for busy households. Aluminum-clad materials for added protection. Aluminum-clad patio doors combine an insulated interior with a durable exterior surface. The aluminum exterior protects the door from exposure while reducing the need for refinishing or repairs. In Rockford homes, aluminum-clad materials are valued for their durability and clean appearance. The exterior resists wear while the interior supports comfort, creating a low-maintenance solution that performs well over time. Composite materials that reduce upkeep. Composite patio doors are engineered using a combination of materials to enhance strength and durability. These doors are designed to resist common issues like moisture damage and surface wear. Rockford homeowners often choose composite materials because they offer long-term performance with fewer maintenance demands. Their stability helps ensure smooth operation and consistent appearance without frequent adjustments. Smooth operation with minimal adjustments. Low-maintenance patio door materials don't just affect appearance, they also support reliable operation. Doors made from stable materials are less likely to shift or stick over time. For Rockford homeowners, this means patio doors continue to slide or swing smoothly without constant tweaking. Reliable operation adds convenience and reduces long-term maintenance concerns. Easy cleaning for everyday living. One of the biggest benefits of low-maintenance patio door materials is how easy they are to clean. Most modern materials only require mild soap and water to remove dirt or fingerprints. Rockford homeowners appreciate that maintaining patio doors doesn't require specialized products or tools. Simple care keeps doors looking good and functioning properly. Supporting long-term comfort and value. Low-maintenance materials help patio doors perform consistently year after year. Doors that stay sealed, aligned, and attractive support indoor comfort and long-term home value. For Rockford homes, choosing the right materials means fewer repairs, less upkeep, and greater peace of mind. This reliability makes low-maintenance patio doors a smart investment. A practical choice for everyday enjoyment. Patio doors should enhance daily living, not create extra work. Low-maintenance materials make it easier to enjoy natural light, outdoor access, and beautiful views without ongoing hassle. For homeowners in Rockford, selecting low-maintenance patio door materials is a practical way to combine comfort, durability, and convenience, ensuring patio doors remain a benefit, not a burden, for years to come.